Are you experiencing NP-103191-5 error code on PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Restart the game. This error signifies that the application you are trying to use is experiencing a network connection issue. When you get such an error, close the game on which you're getting the error and then try to relaunch it. If this did not fix the issue, then restart the console. Method 2. Restart your console. To restart the PS5, press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Select Power. Choose the Restart PS5 option. Once the device restarts, check if this could resolve the issue. Method 3. Power cycle your router. The next thing you can do is power cycle the router or modem you are using. Turn off your router or modem completely. Wait for at least 5 minutes. Turn on the router or modem and then try to launch the game and check if that works. Method 4. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should check is your internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. Try switching to a wired connection if you are currently using Wi-Fi and see if that helps. Method 5. Check PSN status. Verify if there are any known PlayStation Network outages on the official PlayStation website. You can follow this link to check the PlayStation server status. If the server is under maintenance, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 6. Change DNS settings. The next thing you can try is change the DNS settings and see if that helps. For that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Setup Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to Manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 7. Check for software updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 8. Contact support. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to PlayStation support for further assistance. Follow the on-screen guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are having error code NP-103191-5 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.